Are questions disturbing you? Questions like, will I get infected? Will I suffer from disease? Will I face health issues? So many disturbances in mind. In pandemic, is visit to the hospital safe? In lockdown, can you really visit the hospital? Visiting hospital and lots of people there, is it going to give you infection? Blood test, swab test, test after test, lots of money. Hospitalization, oh, woofing amount, very costly. How are we going to pay these bills? Do you want to know what is your health status? What is your risk of disease? What is your immune shield? What is the stress effect? What are the dangerous diseases which you can have? And do you want to have the chronic disease cure? What's the way out? Looking for answers. Here comes the answer. The new invention, first time in the world from Atmaved Yoga, Yodha Raksha Kavach test, a test based on yoga. The inventor is from India, Dr. Sadanand Rasal. He has invented this. It is a yoga diagnostic tool, Yodha diagnostic test. A single test that reveals all. It talks about, it tells about, it diagnoses the doshas in mind, body, function, energy, metabolism, immunity. It also tells about the recovery time from illness and also about the COVID status. All that is unknown is diagnosed in Yodha Raksha Kavach test. A Yodha Raksha Kavach test made in India, first time in the world, made by an Indian. A miracle from the ancient Indian science. Diagnostic, prognostic, preventive test which is based on Kosha Nidan and Yoga Nidan. It tells us lots of information. Yodha Raksha Kavach test, it is a combined presentation of yoga science, medical science, and it lays the foundation for modern holistic life sciences. A self-testing method can be done online, no need of going anywhere, you can stay in house, no health professional needed, social distancing followed, complete analysis, disease analysis and dosha analysis by Yodha Raksha Kavach test. It diagnoses the doshas in Annamaya Kosha, the exterior of your body, the organ, function and the kriyas. It talks about it, it diagnoses it. It diagnoses the Pranamaya Kosha, it diagnoses the doshas in Pranavayu, Urja, Chetana, Chaitanya, Agni and Utsaha. It diagnoses the doshas in your Manomaya Kosha. It understands the realm of mind, anxiety, stress, depression, relaxation, temporary, adaptive, functional or somatic. It diagnoses all. Yodha Raksha Kavach test makes you diagnose the root cause of your heart disease and also the possibility of any serious heart disease in the future. Yodha Raksha Kavach test does a yogic analysis of the expulsion of the waste. Therefore, it diagnoses the doshas in kidney, diabetic kidney, adrenal stress and lot many diseases and understands the cause. Yodha Raksha Kavach test diagnoses the defects in the pranavayu, the lungs, and it tells us to know about the pranavayu dosha in your body. Yodha Raksha Kavach test will detect the unrealized, even the symptoms which you don't know, and it will diagnose the doshas in your stomach, liver, gallbladder, spleen and pancreas. Yodha Raksha Kavach test will diagnose the doshas in the Stri Tattva. It will help us to diagnose the defects or doshas in the fertility, in the PCOD, in hormone, in your obesity, in your figure, in your body proportion. Everything is related to the inner core of your body. And Yodha Raksha Kavach test, it diagnoses that. Yodha Raksha Kavach test detects early the problems in the doshas in muscle, bone, spine and joint and gets to the root cause. Yodha Raksha Kavach test is now a test which can diagnose your stress, the chronic stress on your body. It does cause effect, functional, adaptive or somatic. Know your stress from Yodha Raksha Kavach test. Yodha Raksha Kavach test can be futuristic prevention by yoga. It will tell you, detect those people who are going to land up in the complication. If you have pre-hand information, you will save their lives. Yodha Raksha Kavach test is a truly holistic test which diagnoses mental health, the body health, the physical health, the organ health and the functional health. A complete holistic health analysis. Also immune testing for the first time in yoga. Yodha Raksha Kavach test can also be a very nice interventional test in COVID-19 management. It will diagnose the suspected COVID, the risk of COVID and it will tell lot of information. Yodha Raksha Kavach test is a detailed report which talks about the kosha diagnosis, the kosha dosha, the organ dosha, the COVID dosha, the susceptibility dosha and the health status dosha. It will tell you about what is the recovery time from the disease. A single test which costs just 1500 for the Indian national. Overseas they will be charged differently on the website. A single test which tells you about everything, the root cause, immunity, organ health, functional health, mental health, body health, COVID risk. Book for your test today. Stay safe. Be a Yodha family. Protect your family being a Yodha. Yodha Raksha Kavach test is the only test which will help you to fight it.